Interdisciplinarians are fully aware that the disciplines alone cannot generate all relevant knowledge about a problem. Non-disciplinary sources of knowledge can also provide important insights. Examples of non-disciplinary sources include oral histories, eyewitness testimonies, artifacts, and artistic creations. These sources of information provide context that is essential to comprehensive understanding. Skilled interdisciplinarians can be more inclusive by considering some non-disciplinary sources. With that being said, all knowledge is not equally valid. Beginners should still be skeptical of insights that have not been carefully vetted by the experts. In this course and in the Integrative Studies program, we want you to rely on peer-reviewed disciplinary sources, those that have been vetted by the experts in each discipline. This doesn't mean you should avoid all non-disciplinary sources, but you do need to be cautious about their validity and overall use them sparingly. Once you finish step 4, it's time to move on with the IRP and complete step 5, which we will learn about next week.